Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, is Dolls Gone Goth Day. And the theme is red, white, and blue. Gothia's at the rodeo with her flag and her cowboy hat, loving on the horses there. We lived in northwest South Dakota 9 years straight. We still have our place there, but we spend a lot of time in Missouri. But 4th of July especially, but all of July, all through South Dakota, there are rodeos. And 4th of July is just a huge day. First, there's the parade with all of the horses. You've never seen so many equine in a parade until you've gone to a small town South Dakota parade, 4th of July. Any parade, right?
Yep.
Christmas, anything. Boy, they deck them out too. But Gothia is out here showing her country pride in the USA, our free land, and enjoying the smell of a horse, which I do love. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go see all of the Dolls Gone Goth videos today. And if you have a video, would you please list it in the comments below so that we do not miss it? Be sure to go by Dory's. I'm sure she will have something really fun today. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, a comment, and please, would you subscribe?